If we divide Quran Kareem according to the mazameen, according to the related topics, then we can divide in three parts. 1/3 of Quran Kareem is about the masail. What is jaiz, what is najaiz, what is halal, what is haram. Masail about nikah, masail about talaq, masail about business. Everything, that's 1/3 of Quran Kareem is about masail. Another 1/3 of Quran Kareem is about the stories, incidents of Anbiya Ikram alayhi salatu wassalam, stories of the previous ummah, previous nations, stories about those who were bad and stories about those who were wali. All 1/3 of Quran Kareem is stories, waqi'at, incidents. And the last 1/3 is about akhirat, manazil qayamat, Jannat, Jahannam. I have just recited initial ayat of Surah Infitar. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about Qiyamah. फरमाया कि इज़ा समाउ फतरत व इज़ल कवाकिबु इंतसरत व इज़ल बिहारु फुज्जिरत व इज़ल कुबूरु बु'सिरत अलिमत नफ्सुम मा क़द्दमत व अख़रत. When this sky will open and these إذا السماء انفطرت وإذا الكواكب انتصرت, and all these stars will disintegrate. They will be into pieces. وإذا الكواكب انتصرت وإذا البحار فجرت. All this system of rivers and ocean you can see, they will be all mixed up. وَإِذَا الْقُبُورُ بُعْثِرَتْ. Whatever is hidden in qubur, under the ground, it will all be thrown out. إِذَا الْقُبُورُ بُعْثِرَتْ عَلِمَتْ نَفْسٌ مَا قَدَّمَتْ وَأَخَّرَتْ. That is the time, just remember that is the time when you would be in the position, what you have brought and what you have left behind. That means Akhir, Qiyamah. What will happen then? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask one question to each and every insan and each and every human being. May it be Amir, may it be rich or poor. May it be old or young. May it be male or female. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask one question to each and every insan. Ya ayyuhal insan, ma gharraka bi rabbikal kareem.
मैसेज टीवी की नशरियात देखने के लिए अपने केबल ऑपरेटर से कहकर मैसेज टीवी को अपनी केबल पर चलवाएं या सैटेलाइट डिश पर ट्यून इन करें. आपका अपना मैसेज टीवी.